Hello, thank you for calling customer service for Comcast. Your call will be recorded for archival purposes. If your internet service is out, press 1. If you are having issues with your router, press 2. If you are having issues with your TV service, press 3. Thank you for calling Comcast customer service. Please wait while we put you through with a customer service representative.
Hello, thank you for calling Comcast. How may we help you today?
Hello, I'd like to cancel my service.
You know that we have other plans that may work better for you?
I just want to cancel.
You must visit our website to cancel your Comcast service.
This is your website and told me to call you instead.
No, you must visit our website or look at our forums to cancel our service.
I already visited your forums. They offer no helpful information.
I am sorry, but you must visit our website to cancel Comcast.
Ugh.